Located in Sintra, Portugal, Pena Palace is a stunning architectural masterpiece that attracts tourists from all over the world. Built in the 19th century, this colorful palace is perched on a hilltop and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape. Using a drone to film Pena Palace allows visitors to experience its grandeur from a unique perspective. Aerial shots show off the palace's vibrant colors, intricate details, and picturesque surroundings. From above you can truly appreciate the architectural combination of Gothic, Renaissance, and Moorish styles. The surrounding landscape of Pena Palace adds to its allure. Set amidst lush greenery and rolling hills, the palace offers picturesque views that are perfect for photography enthusiasts. Additionally, there are beautifully manicured gardens that visitors can wander through while taking in the beauty of their surroundings. Pena Palace has become a popular tourist destination due to its rich history and remarkable architecture. Whether you're interested in history or simply appreciate stunning architecture, a visit to Pena Palace promises an unforgettable experience.